Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas on a nice cool evening here in Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip. Gonna check out the Palazzo tonight. One of my favorite places to stay. I just love the rooms here. They're pretty much all suites. I like it actually a little more than the Venetian. Some say they're identical, but there are some nuances between the two that make me steer a little bit closer to the Palazzo. I like the colors of the room for one thing, and they seem to be a little bit bigger than the Venetian rooms. But we're not here to check out the rooms today. We're going to check out the hotel and casino. So let's go inside and see what it looks like, shall we? Lavo is an Italian restaurant and lounge known for its ultra-chic atmosphere, savory 1-pound meatball, that's right, 1 pound, and famed party brunch daytime experience featuring an outdoor terrace with unmatched views of the Las Vegas Strip. The Palazzo is actually the tallest building in Nevada. The hotel offers luxury in an Italian Renaissance ambiance. The hotel and casino are part of a larger complex operated as one hotel, comprising the adjoining Venetian Resort and Casino and Venetian Expo, all of which are owned by VC Properties, What Isn't, and operated by Apollo Global Management. This is Electra Cocktail Club, and it takes Las Vegas bars to another level. Located in the heart of the Palazzo Casino, if you're eager to put your finger on the pulse of the newest Vegas nightlife, look no further than Electra. The menu at Mott 32 embodies modern Hong Kong culture and embraces flavors from all over China. The menu features a variety of Asian cultures through the finest ingredients. The Grand Lux Cafe has an extensive menu from snacks to breakfast. There's something for everyone. Choose from appetizers, breakfast items, and over 20 fabulous desserts. There's also a Grand Lux Cafe in the sister hotel here, the Venetian.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
This is Rosina Cocktail Lounge. Discover this elegant cocktail retreat on the Palazzo Casino floor. The only one of its kind, Rosina Cocktail Lounge masters what other Las Vegas nightclubs aspire to achieve. This is Cut. Steak aficionados flock to Wolfgang Puck's refined American steakhouse, known for their inventive sauces. The doctor asked me how much coffee I drank a day. I told him 3 cups. Las Vegas has no shortage of photo opportunities. Of course, the number one being the Welcome to Fabulous Las Vegas sign. Another one would be the Palazzo fountains. Getting a selfie in front of those fountains is on everyone's list. This Love art installment is only about 10 years old, but it's quickly become the most sought after photo opportunity in town. Hong Kong Cafe is a high-end modern Chinese restaurant. It serves lunch, dinner, and late-night dishes that are a mix of Asian cuisine and Western fare. And it's located right off the Palazzo Casino. And here we have Bar Lusa, one of many casino bars here at the Palazzo. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. We're gonna go upstairs and check out the newer extension to the Grand Canal Shops. I never really considered this part of the Grand Canal Shops, but the owners of this complex do, so there's that. Pizza. This upper level here at the Palazzo doesn't get too much foot traffic. I consider it a hidden gem. Not too many people in this area, but there's lots of great places to visit, restaurants and clubs and places like that. If you're in the area, I suggest you check this area out. In the meantime, let's walk through it and see what's going on. I like books. I have them all around my house, including some huge coffee table books. I just think they pique people's curiosity, and they can't help but pick them up and go through them. Hey guys, if you're a fan of the New York channel, check out the new Facebook New York fan page. It's created and maintained by Dan Kraft, also known around here as Real Unc D. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you, Dan, so much for your hard work. That's it today for the Palazzo. Again, one of my favorite stays in Las Vegas, and since you've been on the tour with me, I think you know why I really like this place a lot. And we haven't even looked at the suites yet, but those videos are available here on the New York channel. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the New York channel. It really does help the channel out. Thanks a lot, guys. Lots more coming from the New York channel, so stay tuned.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.